Web developers, stop wasting your time deciphering browser versions. There's a better way to see if a web platform feature is supported by your users. With Baseline, the widely available stamp of approval means that a feature has been settled in all the major web browsers for at least 30 months. And for most developers, if it's widely available, you can use it. But if your users happen to be on much older or newer browsers, a more or less conservative target might actually be right for you. The only way to know for sure is to check your analytics data. If you're a Google Analytics user, you can upload snapshots of recent visitor data to the new Baseline Checker tool. It'll tell you what percentage of your users support a given baseline year, so you can pick the one that allows you to adopt newer, better web features while maximizing browser compatibility. Visit the link on your screen to get your target and share it with us on social media using the hashtag #What'sMyBaseline.